Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial HDR toning for car photos. Open your car photo to bring out scripting highlights and reflections. Convert it into a smart object to adjust HDR later. Enter the HDR toning to enhance dynamic range and also increase detail to emphasize metal and paint textures, to lower highlights to balance reflections. Lift shadows to show interior and wheel details. Adjust gamma for clean midtones. Increase strength for an impactful automatic look. Add vibrance to bring richness to the core color. Lower saturation if needed for a premium tone. Modify exposure to highlight the core curves. Mask HDR from background areas. Refine all